We've just received a breaking news development that has happened in the Kolkata rape and murder case. The accused, Sanjay Roy's judicial custody has been extended for 14 days. So that's the update coming in the Kolkata rape and murder case, that the accused, the main accused, Sanjay Roy's judicial custody has been extended for 14 days. We had also given the news about how a polygraph test is going to be conducted on him. This after he had given his consent for the same. Komalika joins us now for the latest. Komalika, fill us in with more details. Tell us a little bit more about his judicial custody now being extended by another 14 days.
So the CBI custody ends and now there will be judicial custody. If they feel like, the CBI feels like that there is a need of going there and, questioning, then they will do that. And as far as they have also, the consent of the polygraph is also clear. So that will also be initiated by CBI and that's what we learn. But definitely now 14 days judicial custody is there.
Right. Komalika, just quickly tell us about the polygraph test as well that's going to be conducted on him. When is that expected to happen, and will there be a polygraph test for the ex-principal and the 4 other doctors as well today?
See, they have got the final permission, like the court gave the order, and also consent was required. So the consent order has also come in. So after that, when CBI decides, then we'll have to really see. As far as others are concerned, that too is also on the same pipeline. So we'll have to really see that when CBI decides to conduct that.
All right, Komalika, thank you so much for giving us the update and more details on the news of the accused, Sanjay Roy's judicial custody being extended for 14 days. Let's quickly take a look at some reactions that have come in.
डॉक्टर्स के मन में एक असुरक्षा का और भय का माहौल है, उसको दूर करना हम सबकी जिम्मेदारी है। हम राजनीति में हों या अदालतों में हों या मीडिया में हो, हमारी ये जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि लोगों के मन में और समाज में जो भय है महिलाओं को लेकर, वो दूर होना चाहिए।
Today, this kind of crocodile tears by Mamata Banerjee does not mean anything because her actions have only been one infused with nirmamta. Mamata Banerjee ji must tell us that why is it that her government has rewarded Sandeep Ghosh once again by making him OSD, Officer on Special Duty. First he was reinstated in 4 hours. Instead of taking action on him, he is given special posting. And we have also seen how Kapil Sibal, the lawyer for the Bengal government, was laughing in court. And the lawyers and the judges had to tell him that, sir, this is not a laughing matter. The Supreme Court yesterday slammed the Mamata Banerjee government for the delay in FIR. It said that in 30 years it has never come across such discrepancies.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned. We'll be back with lots more. Keep watching.